guys, good morning. Today is Monday. You guys like the vlog, so I thought I would vlog again, Zine. Today I have, I don't know, I have some graduates to do for Glenmere, but I'm not sure how many persons I'm going to be doing today. I just thought I would take you guys with me because that's my alma mater. So I'm currently driving there, but I have like a lot of stuff to do. Hold on. Yeah guys, so I have some Glenmere graduates to do today, but I'm not sure like how many of them it is. You know, there's miscommunication that happens sometimes, so I don't even know how many people. I know they're having their pictures taken Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, which is today, tomorrow and the day after that. But right now I have to get to the post office because I have a package to collect. But my mom has the paper that I need to take to the post office with me, so I'm gonna have to go over to her house to get the paper first and then go to the post office, which is so annoying to me because that's going to take up a lot of my time, and then I have to go to Western Union to collect something for my dad, and then it's going to be a very long day. But I have my double braids in and all that good jazz. It is now like 10:49. That's what I'm seeing on the clock. Yeah guys, so I'm basically just gonna take you guys with me. I don't know the vlog them go already. I'm just glad you guys are enjoying the vlogs. I was sick for the past couple of days, but I'm feeling a lot better now than I was feeling before, so I'm getting better. And I'm glad because I have like a lot of work to do. I didn't even get to post for like today's Monday. I'm supposed to post my YouTube video today, and I didn't get to do that because it's not finished being edited yet. My Natural Glam Locks client that I was supposed to do, I haven't gotten to do her yet, so a lot has been put back because I did sick, and the flu is a bitch. Like I was so sick guys, like real sick. I mean devastating sick, like sick bad, but now I'm feeling a little better. Still kind of congested, my throat still hurts a little bit, and I'm coughing like a couple times, you know, but it's okay. We'll get better eventually. Hey guys, I don't know if you guys can see me like down here. I'm sitting at my spot where I do my natural glam locks. You guys can see them. Like I never came back to like close out today, so because when I got home I was so tired guys. I'm really tired, yo, like dead beat tired. But I've been really slowed down by the flu for the past couple days, and I lose enough time, so I honestly can't waste no more time. These locks have to be done by tomorrow so I can install them on my client by 10 a.m. I'm just putting in the work right now while I feel like I can, so that tomorrow I can get this booking out of the way, because I just need it to be out of the way so I can move on to other things. And yeah, I've been putting off this client for enough, you know, and she's pregnant and she needs her hair to be done like yesterday, so I'm gonna try to show you guys a clip of the finished product. But of course follow my Instagram, the work Instagram, NaturalGlam_by_Toya. All my Instagram links and my social media links as usual are gonna be in the description bar down below, so you guys can check me out. All the booking info and all that stuff is gonna be down there as well. But I can't wait to install these on myself again. Like she wanted hers to have like a ombre effect, so these are not done. Like the gonna get tailored, like they're gonna get tailored, but she basically wanted hers to be like ombre. So yeah, once they're done you guys are gonna see them. But yeah, morning guys. Yeah, like I've been checking out my skin and I think I need to get my skin together. I don't know what's happening. Maybe it's a lack of like rest and stuff. Like people say, "Oh, your skin's so clear," guys. I told you I've been working on my skincare routine. I got some stuff in the mail that I need to review, some skincare stuff, so I'm definitely going to start trying those out because I've been so busy I haven't really had time to take care of myself, honestly, and that needs to stop. So that's about to be the mission. But right now I'm having breakfast. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm having. I'm having some eggs, a sausage, and 2 nuggets. That's it. I didn't want to fill myself up because it's going to be a busy day. I'm also having my thin tea with my breakfast. I haven't poured the water in there yet, but I'm going to be having my thin tea with my breakfast this morning. The review for that tea is like so long overdue. I'm supposed to do the review long time, but I got pregnant and I was unable to do the review. So that's why it's been delayed. But you guys are definitely going to be seeing the review. Guys, I look tired. Right, just on me looking so tired right now. I've been up all night working on something, so yeah. So I'm just going to quickly have my breakfast, finish working on what I was working on. So it's going to be a busy day. Today is going to be day 2 of Glenmuir, and I also have a hair client before I get to Glenmuir, so today's going to be pretty busy. Yeah, I just need to get Marla ready and set before I go away. But pretty much once she said, I'm fine, so I'm gonna just, you know, do what I need to do. Guys, I'm getting such a late start to my day. Like right now, I just reached my natural glam lock client, and I have graduates to do, as I said before. This day is moving so slow. It's like to 12, almost 12 p.m. and I am really behind. I don't really know why I'm so behind, but I'm about to catch up. I have to do these locks really quickly so I can get to Glenmuir by 3 to do the graduates, I don't know, and you know, get my day going so I can get back home, because I lost out on sleep. Like I've been up since 3 a.m. and I haven't gone back to sleep yet. As you guys can hear, I'm still not 100% better, so I'm gonna try to get some fruit juice in me today, because I feel like my body just needs some fruits or something. So I'm walking out to the road to get a taxi. I should be walking that way, but it's just been so busy. I don't know if you guys will hear me from this clip because it's very windy. I'm on my way to Glenmuir. This is day 4 of my busy ass week. Like the week just crazy, yo. Like I have not been able to do pretty much any relaxing. My body feels so tired, I feel so drained, but I'm just doing it because next week is my birthday and I want to just work now and relax later. So I'm a bit early. I'm waiting for the classes to end. And there's a class happening in the room that I normally use. That room right there. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for the teacher to finish. I'm here writing down a list of the things that I need for my birthday. As in things that I need to get for a little trip that we probably are going to take. So I made a little list. I'm just writing based on like the time that I have to write down a couple stuff. That's what I'm doing. My brother was just here, but he left to go wash his face for his picture or whatever. So I'm just still sitting here and waiting until after the class is finished with the room that I need. I'm still here waiting on the room. But I'm pressed for time in terms of free time. I don't really have any. So it's like every second that I get, every chance that I get to do something, I just do it right away instead of waiting, because I never know when I'm actually gonna have the chance to do it, you know.
I put this in that vlog? Jesus. Show off on me, show off. Show off on me now.
So now for you, I'm gonna show you how come. You know I'm not edit out none of this, right?
I'm Jesus Christ.
All of this are going there, not right? Your words and everything.
You can't use that.
My brother, guys. I don't know. Later, though, dog. Eh? Yeah, guys, I'm at cut nosing. I will hit you up when I get home. As my son, I never drive, so I'll be taking a cab. Yeah. Baby, guys, this girl is 6 months old today. Tell them now.
How are you not here,
Bubblegum. Hey, Patsy.
How are you buying?
I'm gonna buy some stuff.
What?
Sonia's fashion.
No?
Some goodies.
What that like what?
I went shopping for some therapy.
No?
Therapy.
Therapy. Bad therapy.
Because when I work all week, I'm gonna just feel like somebody want to buy something.
So you need therapy.
Yeah, therapeutic. You know, so shopping like I feel better. Guys, I'm gonna buy something before I came. Tomorrow I'll show them to you. About. But you can look on them, Chicago.
Big something.
Hey guys, good morning. So I told you guys that I would show you the stuff that I got last night. Excuse me here, excuse everything. Like I promised, today is my free day. Today is the only day I don't have any clients. It's now 12:07. I just finished editing today's video. Today's Friday, so I missed Monday's video, which was supposed to be a prom hair and makeup tutorial. This is the stuff that I got. I'm going to show you guys what I got. So I just got about 4 or so items. I got this. It's a dress. It's turned the wrong way. I just got a set of dress. I got a couple things for me to wear, like vacay type stuff. Just a set of dress. You guys will see me in it. And then I picked up this orange one-piece swimsuit from Sonia's Fashion in Mapen. And she has some really cool stuff because she supplies like Yannick, Curve Diva, and them people that would clothes. So I got this orange one piece, and then I got I got this Elegant Pro Conceal because my fawn, the shade that I needed, my favorite shade, fawn, was done, so I got that. And then I just got this cute little clutch because I'm running out of bag. Like I legit don't have any bags, guys, because I've been so busy. I haven't, you know, bought anything to wear out or anything, and I saw this and I thought it was just so cute. Just something to take to dinner, you know, something cash, nothing serious, but I loved it because it was very unique to me, so I thought I had to have it, so I bought it. And that's just all I got. My video is now at how much? It's now at 16%. It's running pretty quickly, so I'm happy for that. Marla's here and she's, you know, lying down, so I want to do some laundry today, so I'm gonna try to see if I can get some stuff clean and then just relax, you know, as much as I can, because I do have work again tomorrow. I have a wedding. I have a bridal party of about 5 persons, including the bride, yeah, in Spanish Town, so that's what I have to do tomorrow. Yeah, I just hope this vlog is not too long, guys, because this has been the busiest week with like the most to do, and I hope this vlog is not long. I want to close this vlog out on Sunday. I think we will be going on the book ship. I'm not sure. I probably will go and I probably won't go. If not, then I'll just close out this vlog tomorrow evening. Hey guys, morning. It's day 6 of my busy week. I'm here waiting on my bridal party. I've done a little setup, just a little setup, and we're sitting out on the porch. Yeah, this is Jago Heights. It's really, really nice here. So I'm just going to wait. Just sit here and wait a bit until everybody arrives to get them glammed up. There! Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, mommy. Oh, yeah. Yes, man. Hey guys, home now. Very tired. Marla just done eat, so she'll chill.
Stop being a man.
Fix your face, no, Bridget. Why you look like that?
Standing up straight.
Hey. What?
Take charge. Forward.
Shijina? Fix your face. Yeah, spit up.
Luke Cage,
What the hell is happening in the series right now? Guys, now watch Luke Cage. Anyways, so she not even knows that the guy dirty. Yeah, so I worked today. I had a bridal party of 6. Right now my hair not done. I need to go finish my little jumbo faux locks them. And you know, God, I can't believe that guy is dirty. Anyways, so I need to finish my faux locks, and then I'm just going to rest for the rest of the night. So guys, we're about to go up on the ship, right? And the guy just come tell us that we have like 2 hours and 15 minutes left to wait. We're basically halfway to go, and there is a long ass line. Like I can't even show you how far the line go right now. It's a long line, but everybody there basically. Raj, Mummy with Marla, Auntie Nancy, Browning, Donnie. Yeah, so everybody basically there. Yeah. So we just basically wait to go up on the ship, and the sun out, of course. The sun out, but the man said we have like 2 hours and 15 minutes left to wait basically before we get to the gate. So it's a good look of wait still, because people there like everywhere. It's a long line. What's your problem? Guys, I'm legit pissed. Like, I can't find Marla ring with it up on her finger. Somebody took it off. I'm pissed right now, honestly. Because I don't know how, like, you legit gonna take a ring off on my baby finger. Is that serious though? No. I couldn't talk. I could tell him if you're not chubby or something. Guys, we're in the car. We're about to leave. I already came out of the ship because I'm hungry and I was pissed about Marla's ring, so there. Yeah guys, I'm seriously pissed. Like, I don't know when she lost the ring. Anyways, we had fun. It was fun being on Logos Hope, so them name it now. But it's nighttime. It is now 8:39. It's time to go home, so I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Tell them bye, Marla. Bye bye. Bye guys, see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.